A first aid kit is something every home needs, but did you know you can create one using natural remedies? Today, we'll show you how to put together a natural first aid kit that's effective, eco-friendly, and free of harsh chemicals. First, let's talk about herbs. These are your first line of defense for minor injuries. Calendula is a must-have. It's great for soothing skin irritations, minor burns, and cuts. You can use it in cream or oil form. Chamomile is another essential. It's known for its calming properties and can help with stress, upset stomachs, or even mild rashes. Keep some dried chamomile flowers in your kit. They're perfect for making quick teas or compresses. Lavender oil, a versatile remedy for burns, insect bites, and even relaxation. Just a drop or two can make a big difference. Tea tree oil, known for its antibacterial properties, it's perfect for cleaning cuts or soothing irritated skin. Peppermint oil. Keep this handy for headaches or muscle pain. A few drops rubbed on your temples or mixed with a carrier oil can provide quick relief. Now, let's move to some natural items you might already have in your kitchen. Raw honey, nature's best wound healer. It has antibacterial properties and can speed up healing for cuts and scrapes. Apply a thin layer directly to the wound. Baking soda. This works wonders for insect bites and stings. Mix it with water to create a soothing paste. Don't forget aloe vera gel. If you have a plant at home, you can scoop the gel right from the leaf. It's amazing for burns, sunburns, and dry skin. Of course, your natural first aid kit should also include the basics. Bandages and gauze for covering wounds. Tweezers for removing splinters. Sterile cotton balls, perfect for applying herbal tinctures or cleaning wounds. Don't overlook witch hazel. It's a natural astringent and works great for bruises, swelling, or minor skin irritations. Lastly, include Epsom salt. It's perfect for soothing sore muscles and detox baths. Add a handful to warm water for instant relief. Once you've gathered everything, organize your natural first aid kit in a compact, easy-to-carry box. Label each item clearly so you can find what you need quickly. And there you have it, a simple, natural first aid kit that's ready to support your family's health. With these remedies on hand, you'll be prepared for anything life throws your way.